Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to move blocks in Kajabi. All right, so first up, let's just go ahead and open up one of our pages. For example, maybe a landing page right here. Just click on it. Now, maybe I'm just going to go ahead and edit this one. All right, so just click on it. And then once done, here in the left panel under sections, to move a block or blocks, you can just easily do so by just using this move tool. All right, as you can see here, or as you might have noticed, we have this icon that resembles two lines or two dashes or equals. Okay, just click and hold on it by using the left mouse button. All right, and then move it wherever you want. For example, at the very bottom. Another one, this specific block right here. Okay, just click on it and go ahead and go to the very bottom in the left panel. Then select the layout first, for example, for desktop or mobile. All right, right here, as you can see for desktop, you can go ahead and use these text alignment options. Spacing's right here. Okay, inside spacing, as you can see, just wait for it a bit. Outside spacing, maybe 20 right here. Just wait for it, as you can see. You also have the option to place this block on its own row. Just tick on it. If not, just leave it unchecked. All right, outside spacing right, maybe 50. There you go. As you can see. And there you have it. That's how you move blocks here in Kajabi. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.